Hello students, this is Ritika Sharma, teacher of Ambi International School, Nayagaon, Kota. So kids, today we will be starting the chapter 1 which name is Mowgli Enters the Pack. So kids, let's start the story. Mowgli enters the pack. It was a warm summer evening when Father Wolf prepared himself to go hunting. Mother Wolf lay with her young cubs in her crave. It was a warm summer evening. जो Father Wolf थे वो अपने आप को hunting के लिए prepare कर रहे थे and जो Mother Wolf थी she was lying besides her young cubs in her cave. Suddenly the jungle was awakened by a loud roar. Suddenly jungle में एक बहुत ज़्यादा loud roar आई. It was a शेर खान. किसका roar था ये? शेर खान का. He was hunting. He went for the hunting. He heard a loud roar and then a howl. The hunt went wrong. Father Wolf ran to check. He saw a little naked baby crawling towards him. He heard a loud roar. उसने बहुत तेज roar किया, बहुत तेज roar सुना and then a ball. The hunt went wrong. He was thinking the hunt went wrong because she went for hunting to the animals. But what he saw. Wolf ran to check. Wolf ran to check. Wolf check करने के लिए गया that what happened. He saw a little naked baby crawling towards him. उसने क्या देखा? एक छोटा सा बेबी देखा crawling towards him, जो कि उसकी तरफ crawl करते हुए आ रहा था. A man cub. So what he said? A human baby. He picked up the naked baby, brought him to his cave and put him down beside the mother. What Wolf did? He picked up the naked baby, brought him to his cave, उसकी cave में लेकर आ गया and make him sleep beside the mother wolf. A few moments later, Sher Khan stood outside the cave. कुछ ही टाइम बाद शेर खान उनकी केव के सामने आ गया एंड ही सेड अ मैन कब केम दिस वे गिव हिम टू मी सेड द टाइगर ने कहा कि जो ह्यूमन बेबी है अ मैन कब है वो इस जगह पर आया है एंड गिव हिम टू मी इसे मुझे दे दो. नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड. Mother Wolf sprang up with the courage. Mother Wolf geared some courage and said, "The man cub is ours. The human baby is ours. He shall be one of us. We can take care of him." So she said to the Sher Khan that we can take care of him. Sher Khan knew he could not fight the two wolves. Sher Khan ये जानता था कि वो two wolves से fight नहीं कर सकता है. I shall be back to take away the man cub, he said as he walked away. So when he was walking away, he said that I shall be back to take away the man cub, कि मैं उस human baby को लेने के लिए वापस आऊँगा. Mother Wolf called the man cub Mowgli. Mother Wolf ने उस human baby का name रखा. That was the name of Mowgli, the frog. Mowgli means the frog because his skin was smooth and without hair, just like that of a frog. Because जो उसकी skin थी, जो baby की skin थी, that was really soft, that was really smooth and without hair, just like a frog. Now Mowgli stayed with the young cubs, and when they were old enough, Father and Mother Wolf took them to the council circle. So Mowgli उनके जो young cubs थे उनके साथ बड़ा हुआ and जब वो बड़े हो गए, Father and Mother Wolf took them to the council circle. Council circle is like where they gather for a meeting. There the other wolves gathered to look over the young cubs so that they would know them if they met them in the jungle. So now बाकी जो wolves थे वो उनके young cubs को देख रहे थे so that they can meet them in the jungle. As each cub was pushed into the circle of wolves, Akela, the leader of the pack of the wolves, sat on the council rock. As each cub was pushed into the circle of the wolves, जैसे उनको मीट करवाया जा रहा था बाकी wolves से, अकेला जो कि लीडर था किसका, the pack of the wolves के pack का लीडर था, उनके ग्रुप का लीडर था, sat on the council rock, वो council rock पर बैठ गया. Likewise and sat on the council rock, lifted his hand and called, "Look well, O wolves, look well." At last it was Mowgli's turn. Now he said that all cubs have recognized by me. Now it's Mowgli's turn. So Mowgli was pushed into the circle and Akela said, "Look well, O wolves." So वो कहता है, so Mowgli को उनके ग्रुप में पुश किया जाता है and Akela recognized them. Akela make them recognize that look well, O wolves. So just then angry Sher Khan growled from outside the circle. और just then तभी क्या हुआ, एंग्री शेर खान क्रॉल्ड फ्रॉम आउटसाइड द सर्कल, वो सर्कल के बाहर से खड़ा होकर चिल्लाने लगा लाइकवाइज, द मैन कप इज माइन, गिव हिम टू मी. ही सेड अगेन, जो ह्यूमन बेबी है वो मेरा है, गिव हिम टू मी. नाउ द लॉ ऑफ द जंगल सेड दैट इफ एनीवन वांटेड अ कप टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ द पैक, at least 2 animals who were not his father or mother should speak for him. Now जंगल का लॉ ये कहता है कि if anyone wanted a cup to be a part of the pack, कोई भी किसी कप को पैक का पार्ट बनाना चाहता है, उस ग्रुप का पार्ट बनाना चाहता है, at least 2 animals who were not his father or mother, at least 2 animals would have to speak for him. So now Balu, the sleepy brown bear who taught the law to the cubs, said, बलू जो कि एक स्लीपी ब्राउन बेयर था, एक लेजी ब्राउन बेयर था, हु टॉट द लॉ टू द कप्स, वो कप्स को लॉ सिखाता था, सबको लॉ सिखाता था, जो जंगल के जो लॉज होते थे वो उसको सिखाता था. आई स्पीक फॉर द मैन कप. नाउ बलू स्पीक फॉर द मैन कप, ह्यूमन बेबी, ही स्पीक फॉर द मोगली, फॉर मोगली. वी नीड अनदर, सेड अकेला. अकेला ने कहा अब हमको एक और की ज़रूरत है, सो दैट ही कुड बी अ पार्ट ऑफ आवर पैक. May I know who speak besides Balu? So Akela said that Balu के अलावा अब कोई और बोल सकता है, कोई और इसके लिए स्टैंड ले सकता है. So Bagheera, the Black Panther, the hunter, in a soft silky voice said, Bagheera जो कि एक Black Panther था, he said that I do, मैं भी इसके स्टैंड में रहता हूँ, मैं भी मोगली के साथ हूँ. Soon everybody left. Now everybody had left. So Akela told father and mother wolf, the cubs Balu and Bagheera, that Mowgli was one of them now. So Balu और Bagheera ने उनका स्टैंड लिया, मोगली का स्टैंड लिया. Now they all were happy to make a part of the pack. मोगली को पार्ट बनाकर, अपनी पैक का पार्ट बनाकर, अपने ग्रुप का पार्ट बनाकर, एंड दैट इज हाउ मोगली एंटर्ड द पैक एंड ग्रू विद दैम. और इस तरह से मोगली उनके पैक में, उनके ग्रुप में एंटर हो गया एंड ग्रू अप दैम, और उनके साथ ही वो ग्रो अप हुआ. सो दिस वाज द स्टोरी. होप यू अंडरस्टूड इट. थैंक यू.